What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. I hope you enjoyed the edit, because I had an absolute blast flying them packs yesterday. And I felt like I might as well pop in and give you my, I'd say, somewhat final conclusion on these Butterwhisk motors, because obviously only time will tell. I'm actually thinking about maybe doing a series or like something where we go back and talk about things that kind of been out for a while, things that I've been flying for a while. Like the hype train motors, I've been flying them for like 8-9 months. So we can talk about that kind of stuff. But anyway, I'm getting off topic. So the Butterwhisk motors, I probably got 10 or 15 packs through here. You can see there's some scuff. We got some scuffs on the bells now. This one took a big whack. As you can see, this is where it lined up. Boom, took a big whack here, no bends. Everything's still good. You know, this one got scraped up and scratched up. Now, what I can say is the aluminum does get scratched up and marked easy because it's that lighter yellow. I mean, it's anodized, but I think it does kind of get scratched up kind of easy. This is 15 packs, but again, I was beating the crap out of them. I don't feel like they've gotten any louder. Still sound good, nice and smooth. I mean, there you go. There's not a whole lot to them. I mean, it's a $25 motor, so you expect good quality. The air gaps are super tight. I mean, air gaps are super tight. The curved magnets, they got the little shelf over here to hold the magnets in. Silver plated wires, 2207, 16x19 pattern there in the bottom. It's a nice looking motor. So again, if you're going to pay 25 bucks, you expect all this stuff. I did take the nuts off because they were the yellow nuts, and I mean, they were fine, the yellow aluminum nuts, but I just like steel nuts better. They hold up longer. I get these stainless steel nuts. They seem to grip a little longer. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the edit, because like I said, I had a blast making that making that edit and flying those packs yesterday. I feel like I had a pretty good flow going, hitting through them little tiny tree gaps and all them little knife edges and things. So yeah, there you go. If you're gonna invest in these motors, I don't think you can go wrong. If you want a 22.7 2500 kV motor and you're willing to pay the premium, because a $25 motor is a premium motor, let's be real about it, because you could get a 2207 DYS motor and probably have similar time flying, but you're gonna get different aluminum and all that other good stuff. So anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.